Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. I'm going to try to not sound like a car salesman in this one, but here's what we're doing. We're having an inventory clearance sale. I'm going to walk around here on our toy haulers only, the in-stock toy haulers that we have. We're doing an inventory clearance sale. So if you look on our website and you see the prices there, you can take $8,000 off. That's $8,000 savings for you. So here's one, and I'm going to walk out and show you the other one. So here I go. And remember, the construction on these is the same as our Elite and our Gold. It's a very strong construction with a welded cage construction in our walls, floors, and our roof. Here's the other one out here. And we've got another one in Texas. So you'll want to jump on this. If you're interested in a toy hauler, this is the time to do it, because we've got an $8,000 savings. What we're doing is we're trying to move some of these out so we can put some new ones in our showroom in Texas and here in Elkhart. But you'll really want to jump on this because it's going to be done the end of March. So give us a call at 844. We're going to be sending out mass email. I know you don't like mass emails, but that's the way we get our information out to you. And they'll have links on these mass emails that you can click to actually see the prices on these units. And remember, that price that you see, take $8,000 off of that. Our owners are being very generous in this. So give us a call at 844 or ask us a question online. You can ask us a question. You click on that link and you just click on ask a question, or you can give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com, and you have an excellent day. Remember, this ends the end of March. Have a great day.